Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for this video I'm going to be teaching you the basics of Roblox scripting. So there are three different types of scripts: module scripts, normal scripts, and local scripts. However, for this video we're just going to be focusing on scripts and local scripts. So generally local scripts are going to be used for GUIs, graphic user interfaces. They generally use to script those, while on the other hand, normal scripts or global scripts, they are used to script more of the physical properties of Roblox, such as parts, models, stuff like that. So for this video, we're just going to be focusing on the normal scripts or global scripts. And yeah, okay, so first things first, we are going to be making a very basic script, and we're going to be making a leaderboard. So what you want to do is you want to put your script here into the server script storage, and this is optional, but to keep your work organized, you can rename your script to leaderboard. Now we're going to start to make the leaderboard. Okay. Okay, so now this first line of code is basically telling the game that whenever a player enters the game, starts to play the game, it's telling the game to do something right now, do something. So to make this simple, this is the game, so it's calling to the game, hey game. Then this is players, and as you can see, there's players here. And whenever you play the game, your player name will actually be inside of that player, in that player's section right here. It's telling to connect to the game and function, do something. So by putting player here in the parentheses, we are actually naming the function. So we're naming the function player. Okay. Now we're going to start creating the leaderboard. So we're going to do local stats equals instance.new, and we're going to make a folder. So by saying instance.new, we're basically saying make something new come, add something into the game. And we are going to be creating a folder. Now that folder is just, somewhere. We don't know where it is, and we have to give it a place to stay. So what we're going to do is stats.parent. So this is where it's going to stay. It's going to stay in the player. So it's going to be inside of the player, which will be you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do local currency. So we're just going to name, this is going to be the making of our currency, equals instance.new int value, and now we're going to give that currency a place to stay. So it's going to be staying in stats, so it's going to be in the folder. And actually I forgot to do this, but we have to give the stats a name, and we have to give it a very specific name. So it's going to be called leader stats, all in lowercase. I believe it is actually all in lowercase. Yeah, it is all in lowercase. And now what we have to do is back to the currency. We're going to name the currency something. Let's say we've got to name it coins, for example. And now we're going to give it a value. We're going to do currency.value. So this is how much money or currency a player is going to start off with. So you actually don't need quotation marks. So I'm just going to put 100 as a test. Now let's go check that out, and this is just a test, and I'm a bit rough on my scripting because I haven't done it in a while. Okay, yep, as you can see it works, and we've got 100 coins, but apparently my character is having a hard time loading. And for any of you guys are thinking what's wrong with my character, yeah, it looks really weird, my character. I just put the wings and a bit of arthro, but yeah, okay, never mind my character. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have a little play around, experiment with the coins. So if we go change this to this, as you can see, these are the coins that just got added. So it will automatically update. Now what we are going to do is we're going to make it so that you will be able to get coins. So we are going to insert a part. This is my part. Now I'm going to scale it, change it to a size that I like. Yes, that's a nice size. And we're going to anchor it so it cannot move. I'm going to change the brick color to actually no, I'm going to turn this into scripting. So I'm going to rename this part to where is it? Okay, I'm going to name this to money giver. And to make this a bit more of a meaty video so you can get more of it, we are going to make this a color changer. So I'm actually from Australia, so that's how you spell color. Alright, so what we are going to do is we're going to do this is going to actually be a bit advanced right here. So we're going to do while wait. Let's do 2 seconds. So basically a while wait script is actually a type of loop, and in a future video I'll go over the type of loops and how you can use them effectively in the future. So now I'm going to do this. You can feel free to copy this. Parent.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new, and then you can change this to outer. Actually no. Okay. So now you might have wondered what I just did, and using this very simple script, this thing right here should change color every 3 seconds. Yep, as you can see, it changes colors every 3 seconds to something random. And this is just a pretty cool scripting trick that you can easily do. And if you want, you can experiment with this. So yeah, you can actually have some fun with this if you're a bit more advanced in scripting. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to make it so that whenever you step on it, you will be able to get some money. Alright, so let's name this to money script. Yep, okay. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put script.parent, so we're referring to the part, .touched, so whenever it is touched, and then touched by a person, we're going to do colon connect function, and then now we are going to name the function hit, and now we're going to do if hit. So we're going to put, actually no, we're not going to put if hit, so actually no, so sorry about this, but I actually forgot the script here, so I just pasted it there. So basically what you have to do is you have to write local PLR, or if you want you can actually, to make it more understandable, you can put local player equals gain players dot get player from character hit dot parent. So basically what this means is that whenever someone like steps on that part, it will the script will actually get the player from that part, and then it's saying that if there is actually a player there, then do something. So that's something that we're going to do. Is we're going to do player dot leader stats dot gold. Actually no, we called our currency coins. Dot coins dot value equals, and now we are going to make it so that it will always add up and it won't just be one number. So I'm just going to do this as an example. So if you were to make this 500, for example, and we click on play, when we step on this part right here, it should bring our coins to 500, yeah? However, what if you want it so that it will keep on adding up? So in order to do this, you go player dot leader stats dot coins dot value plus, and then you can put whatever number you want for how much coins they're gonna how many coins it's gonna be added up by. So that's all you have to do. And now press play. And now we're gonna go here, shift, and boom. As you can see, it will rapidly keep on going up just like that. Every time we just touch this, move around, every time we will get 10 more coins, and yeah, and it will keep on going up until infinity. So yeah, however, you actually need to move around for the script to render, so you can actually realize that there's a player there. Yeah, I think this is going to be it for the video, and yeah, so if you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like, and if you want, I can go further in depth into normal scripts and global scripts, or whatever you want to call them. So yeah, those were just a couple of examples that you can have an experiment with. So yeah, alright, I've been saying yeah a lot of times, and you probably guys are feeling annoyed about that. Okay, well anyways, bye.